Hi guys, here we are again. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to spice up your 7-3-6-2-5-1-4 movement melodically. But before we go, why haven't you subscribed if you've not subscribed? Please subscribe, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified. Let's dive right to it. The movement is basically on the key of C. So it's basically the melody is so fa do re mi fa mi re di mi ti so la ti do ti la ti do re do. So we are doing this on the left hand. We are doing this movement. Remember, we're in the key of C. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the seventh scale or the seventh degree of the C major scale is the B. So, but before we get to that B, we're going to approach it from the F B flat movement, the circle of fourth. So you're going to hear something like this. Da, da, fa, toti, which letter names is F to your B flat and then to your C. Why here? So you hear something like this. To 7. So, and then on the right hand, the chords you are using is your B major chord with the F on the bottom, your C major chord, which is your G, your B, your C, and your E, and then you've got your slurring into the D minor, but inverted. This is like the second inversion. You've got the first inversion, second inversion. This is the chord, first inversion, second inversion. So you've got something like this. Hallelujah. And then 3. Oh. So 3. You hear that pa pa. So on your left hand, you're having this chord, your E, your B, and your F sharp. While on your right hand, you've got your A flat, your C, your D, and your G. But then the G is falling down. It's being rolled down to your F. Then to the 6, you've got this movement. Ba, 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 ba. 6. So let's say you're going to amazing God, amazing God, you've come through for me, amazing God. So amazing God, amazing God, 736. So amazing God, amazing. Although the original movement of that song is amazing God. That's also another movement to the 3. Amazing God, you've come through from me. Amazing God, amazing God, amazing God. You've come through from me. Amazing. So let's get back. Then let us shift focus. So the first movement is 7, and then you've got this. Now to go to the 3, you're gonna do this. Oh, sorry. Then to go to your 5, you're gonna do this movement. Diminished movement is a diminished movement. And then to your B flat major 7th with the G on the bottom in your left hand, while on your right hand you've got this for your 5. But then to lead into this 5, you got to do this. See how beautiful. And then 1, so which on your left hand you've got your C, your G, and your you can either do this or so it will be. I love to hold this in my right hand. This A major chord. But then with your C now. And then you see? 1 to the 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's do that movement that way on time. Yes, sir. Again, say para. Yes, sir. Let's apply to them. And shine, are we my and shine, and then you've got this 5. So yeah, la sorrow matters. La sorrow matters. La sorrow matters. I will my girl. So can you shine? Now we my yeah. So to go to the 5, 1, 4, you go to so hey 5. So you gotta do Let's never could have made it without you. I thought I loved, but now I see I'm stronger, I'm wiser. So I hope this helps. I hope this helps. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you can get notified as soon as any new video drops. See you in the next class.